4 Foxtrot Hotel, 2.5 miles from Lemon, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Clear ILS, runway 20, right approach.
Alright, maintain 3,000 until established, clear at ILS 20, right approach, 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Welcome back to the Rusty Pilot. We're out on a big adventure going all the way across North America in this series of videos. We started there in Tallahassee, Florida. We've been through a ton of weather to get here to the West Coast and drop into that marine layer at Orange County, John Wayne. But, you know, it's 48 hours in a fully retrofitted V-tail Bonanza that's 50 years old, but a lot of modern avionics and a lot of ability to get through that kind of weather. You know, if this is your kind of flying and it speaks to you, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe and let me know in the comments, you know, where you've been. If you've taken any of these super long cross countries, it helps the channel and keeps the little pilots community connected. If you're trying to buy an airplane, keep on riding along with me down there in the comments. There is a link to my Rusty Pilot Deal Desk Skool over on the Skool community, where I help people find the airplane for their mission. But let's pick it up here in Gila Bend, Arizona, and we're going to get in the airplane and fly into the busy Los Angeles airspace and shoot an ILS on probably one of the most epic approaches I've ever been on. Right along. Some fuel and get back in there and get on to Los Angeles, California, and over to Catalina Island.
All right, we made the appropriate choices not to die so far.
Upper 499, maintain
Pretty crappy looking
25.
weather. It's out there. We're going to work our way to the south of it. But I got rain and lightning out this side. We're still headed to California. There is
4 Foxtrot Hotel, got that routing, provide 30 copy.
He's got routing. Ready to copy, 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Send maintain 5,200, fly 320, 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Shouldn't they be telling us a fucking approach? All I see is clouds to go through here.
They'll get us lower where you don't need one.
Okay.
Or what they might give us is the ILS 20
Whiskey Charlie, SoCal approach,
Sidestep
top 2,
20
customers notification.
And the expectation is when you go visual, you'll sidestep to the left side.
SoCal, hello,
We're going to fix
20 descending via the Ola, we have Kilo, and we're descending via to 140,000.
Alaska 746, SoCal approach, descend via, accept maintain 7,000.
So what I would do from here,
Descend via to 7,000.
is I would activate your
Approach with 3533 is 9,000, descending
He
8,000.
didn't give us the approach, but this will
With Lima and approach press RNAV Zulu 20 right for Jayward.
click on that approach, and then activate it. And the only reason why I would say activate it now is it cleans up all those fixes.
Okay.
Now
Yeah,
all we're
3533,
doing
SoCal
is
approach,
you
roger,
all
all
that other
request.
shit there.
And
Now we don't have that.
I understand you have Lima. Hey, affirmative, Lima.
Well, this is beautiful right here. We were going on to the Southern California coast, right over the top of all this cotton.
That was 3533, clear on Zulu, runway 20 right approach. Clear on Zulu from a 20 right, sky was 3533. That was 3533, conic approach 121.3. 121.3, sky was 3533.
We go fast.
Number 4, Foxtrot Hotel, by hitting a 360 vector.
360 for Foxtrot Hotel.
People die in this marine layer every year. Having a instrument ticket out here would be a requirement. This rolls in off the ocean and sits inland. In later videos, you'll see us flying over the ocean, and the marine layer just sits right there. And these guys have got to shoot through this constantly. It's busy airspace, and yeah, it's just not what we have to deal with out here in Texas. So mad respect to anybody out there I don't know if this would be for me all the time, but if I lived there, I guess I'd learn to do it.
Correction, Southwest 2176. This descent and maintain 6,300. I'll step you down for traffic.
Alright, 6,300, Southwest 2176.
We're just going. Let's see.
Approach Medevac 149 Whiskey 10,000.
You definitely need your instrument rating limit in this place.
Heck yeah.
Medevac 149 Whiskey, SoCal approach traffic. West 3451, turn right direct Madhouse.
Right turn direct Madhouse, guys, 3451.
Boy, I tell you what, you can't even pick that fucking airport up on this map. Where is this damn thing?
Definitely choose your right.
That it back over here?
Good evening, SoCal, Skyhawk 9420 Echo, 1,300, climb won't be added below 2,000.
Clutter, you can't see shit.
Number 9420 Echo, SoCal approach
Is this
traffic.
any better?
Yeah.
Probably better for you on this one.
Number 20 Echo, traffic over El Toro, southbound Skyhawk 1,700.
Alright, 20 Echo, look.
Wow.
Number 7 Whiskey Charlie, traffic 12
Yeah, it's
o'clock,
gonna be
half a
Congo
mile,
going
out
in.
to a Cape 1,400.
Looking for
I actually
traffic
think
7
this
Whiskey
is
Charlie.
Man, what a stuff show.
SoCal approach Charlie 334 and Romeo up with you 1,100.
Cessna 3341 Romeo, SoCal approach out the shoreline, resume navigation out to your discretion.
At the shoreline, resume ONAV 41 Romeo.
Ray Charlie Alpha, contact approach 132.2.
32.2, thanks for the help. Hey, Charlie Alpha.
Number 9 Echo Golf, contact approach 132.2.
132.2 through 19 Echo Golf.
Medevac 9 Whiskey, descend and maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000, Medevac 149 Whiskey.
Number 20 Echo, out to your discretion, resume navigation.
Oh, Nav went out to 20 Echo.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, turn left heading 340.
Left 340 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Approach American 2457 with you leveling off 8,000, Lima.
American 2457, SoCal approach out, descend and maintain 6,300.
Continue down to 6,300 now for American 2457. SoCal approach, citation 503 Kilo 10,000, direct 5 risk.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, traffic set your 2 o'clock, 5 miles, southwest mile, Boeing 737, southwest 6,300.
Looking for the traffic, no joy for Foxtrot Hotel.
Southwest 2176, traffic at 10 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, Bonanza 5,200. Back lower after crossing traffic.
Southwest 2176, we're looking.
For Foxtrot Hotel's got the traffic.
Roger that. That was 3451, contact approach 124.9.
20.9,
Alaska 746, turn right direct Madhouse.
Check Nado, Alaska 746.
Approach citation 503 Kilo 10,000, Padres.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, fighting 330.
Fly heading 330 for Foxtrot Hotel.
And November 103 Kilo, SoCal approach route, descend and maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000 and that's 503 Kilo.
Southwest 2176, traffic still factor, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Southwest 2176.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, contact approach 12 on Pointry. Bonanza
1
Hotel, contact approach 12 on Pointry.
121.3 for Foxtrot Hotel. Good day.
American
There's
2457.
going to be the
miles to
top,
mile square
and then
5.
Okay.
Say again, 03 Juliet.
Turn off heading 130.
13003 Juliet.
What you said?
Travis 3494, descend maintain 3,000.
17,3,000, Scott 3494.
Approach November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, level 5200.
Turn 4 Foxtrot Hotel, SoCal approach route, descend maintain 4,400.
Send maintain 4,400 for Foxtrot Hotel.
That approach American 2457 will be 6,300.
American 2457, fighting 240, vector for sequence, maintain 170 knots.
Just give them both.
Alright,
On the-
240
because they
heading
might not, and then
170
you're gonna
knots
be like,
for
well, what do we got you
2457.
on? We have you now
Turn 4
to a fix.
Foxtrot Hotel, turn off heading 300.
Turn left heading 300 for Foxtrot Hotel.
How you feeling?
I feel good.
Good.
American 2457,
I don't feel
verify
sick.
heading
I was not going to
240.
do this by myself.
We are in return for 240, heading it now.
Amazing when you do this all the time, you're like, huh,
I
okay.
know it. That's why I want to get out here with you and
3494
Bruce.
at 3000, we're just speaking 170 now.
At 3,000, reduce speed to 170,
That's
Scott
just to go
3494.
sterile here in the
Number 4
top
Foxtrot
here.
Hotel, this is maintain 3000.
3,000.
So maintain 3,000 for Foxtrot Hotel.
American 2457, this is maintain 5200.
Down to 5,200 for American 2457.
Travis 3494, channel heading 340, vector for sequence.
So can you hit
3,
CDI for me?
was that
And
340
get
for 3494?
to get me on green
Increment
needle.
340.
And then
340,
from
Scott 3494.
the frequency is 111.75.
Number 03 Juliet, are you familiar with Mount Square Park?
Perfect.
And negative 03 Juliet.
Number 03 Juliet, flighting 150.
150.
American 2457, turn right heading 320.
Turn right heading 320 for American 2457.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, channel heading 170, join the localizer.
You'll have to take the acronym.
Left 170, join the localizer, 4 Park Charter Hotel.
Travis 3533, John Wayne Tower, 126.8.
Or tower, Skywest 3533, connect.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, 2.5 miles from Lemon, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Clear ILS, runway 20, right approach.
Alright, maintain 3,000 till established, clear at ILS 20, right approach, 4 Park Charter Hotel. God damn, you got us, huh?
Travis 3494, turning 060.
Right 060, Scott 3494.
American 2457, this is maintain 4300.
4,300 for American 2457.
Okay, so we're just gonna throw the gear on, still gotta get.
Alright, GUMPS, gas, undercarriage. Extra still way out. We're 3,000 feet.
Yeah.
It's tracking a heading onto the ILS and then it will turn. Here.
We are clear for the approach.
Okay. Got a landing light on.
But Hookup, or Lemon, which is what we're over,
Yep.
is 2,200 feet. She gave us
American
a
2457, turn left heading 220, join the localizer.
Alright, airport in sight.
Left heading 220, join the localizer for American
Landing light on.
2457.
Travis 3494, traffic 11 up, half mile southwestbound, descending out of 2000,
Yeah, then
Cherokee.
pops over to
Inside
David.
check, Scott
You guys look at
3494.
next frequency.
Travis 3494, turn right heading 100.
Or
Heading 100, Scott 3494.
American 2457, this is maintain 3000.
Gonna maintain 3,000 for American 2457.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, John Wayne Tower, 126.8.
Over the tower, 26.8, 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
gosh, you really got us high, man.
Alright. Tower 4 Foxtrot Hotel's on the localizer for 20 left.
Stands 4 Foxtrot Hotel, runway 20 right, continue.
20 right, continue 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Alright, 309er, contact SoCal Park, see ya.
Park Space Red 309, see ya.
Alright, seatbelts, flaps all the way to come out, fuel selector
Tower,
on
find
the
the
full
flag,
extent,
we'd like to
landing
take you
gear,
back
3
on
grand
20 left there.
verified, picture props, clear to land. Or let's continue.
Alright, Bravo Mike, runway 20 left,
Yeah,
execute Charlie Kilo.
yeah.
Charlie Kilo 20 left, step by Mike.
Alright, I got nothing between us and the airport on the traffic.
John Wayne Tower, good afternoon, number 3703 Juliet is bound.
3703 Juliet, John Wayne Tower, roger. Good afternoon, continue on present heading.
Continue present heading, 03 Juliet.
Sky 3533, turn left, Echo, contact ground.
We got
Left
clear
ground,
going
yeah,
there.
35,
They just wait this long.
Hey, wait. We're so late getting this local or glide slope.
Stands 4 Foxtrot Hotel, stay parking.
ACI North.
ACI North Jet.
Stands 4 Foxtrot Hotel, roger. At or prior to the 405 freeway, change to runway 20 left, clear to land.
20 left, clear to land. 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Alright, a little side step. Shorter runway. Plenty of red and white lights.
2,800 foot runway, by the way. Pretty short.
Wow.
Alright. So 90 Delta, cross over the control tower at or above present altitude, pad 2, clear to land. Over 90 Delta.
Say again for 90 Delta, sorry.
Over 90 Delta, cross over the control tower at or above present altitude, pad 2, clear to land.
What is it?
Roger, 90 Delta, pad 2, clear to land.
Citation 8, Romeo Sierra, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff. 20 right, clear for takeoff, 8 Romeo Sierra.
Good evening, Tower, American 2457, with you on the ILS, 20 right.
American 2457, John Tower, good evening, sir, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 20 right for American 2457.
Pretty quickly.
There's a 4 Foxtrot Hotel, you do have both runways in sight, correct?
Yes, sir. We see both runways. 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
4 Foxtrot Hotel, roger, thanks. Contact our caution turbulence citation starting the parallel.
Alright, am I supposed to respond back with something on that?
Oh, you're good. He just wants to make sure you're going on the left, not the right.
Holy crap, Southwest flies out of here. Alright, we look good.
Tower Sky 3494, ILS 28 right. 20 right. Sky 3494, John Tower number 2, runway 20 right, clear to land. Number 2 for 20 right, clear to land, Sky 3494. Cessna 03 Juliet, descend down to 1,300. Cross over the control tower, at or above 1,300 for left traffic, runway 20 left. Repeat 403 Juliet. Citation 8, Romeo Sierra, contact SoCal departure, yep. Or departure, yeah. 03 Juliet, cross.
Let me just go ahead and say I would never have flown out here into this airspace by myself. Thank God for jet pilot Jacob hauling the old man around. And there's 2 more real competent pilots that bought into the plane at this point. Still sharp and still. You know, you got to build your community of people and stay in there with some people that know more than you.
Yeah, this is shorter than tomorrow's runway.
All right, we have made it to John Wayne's Airport. This was probably the most picturesque, pretty thing I've ever been in. That deck of clouds is 3,000 feet-ish, something like that. We sidestepped off the ILS onto the short runway, only 2,800 feet, because we got to go land at Catalina tomorrow. That's only 3,000. What a day, what a trip. More to come. Can't wait to upload all this video.